I got a 2011, I think an 05 to 11 BMW 300 series. I'm gonna be installing the Android system. So in the first set, I will show you how to remove. So in order to remove this radio, you would want to get you a flathead or well, flathead's not a good idea. Get you like a door panel remover, a plastic one from AutoZone, or you can buy from Amazon. Just so you start it out right from here and pry this out right there, and I'll show you why it's like this. So this is gotta be careful right here. It don't want to come out sometime, but if it come out, it's okay, it's easy. So the clip look like this. It's not that hard right there. So I hope it works for this new setup that I have, because I'm not sure the one I order is the right one. Even though it's a 5 to 11, it might be some other issue. So next, I think some customer probably took this out once before right there. You take a Phillip right here. I don't think it's a Phillip right there. I think it would be like a 20 millimeter, but I got a Phillip right there. So, but if not, it's 20 millimeter. So now after you got the Phillips or the 20 millimeter, just pull it straight out right there. And now you will unplug the wire by pull this thing out right there. Just like pull it out straight out like that. There should be a clip, but they must have broke the clip or something, I'm not sure. But anyway, I got it out. Now push this in and pry it out. The item that they gave me, they got this metal bracket right here, some screws, some stickers, and then all this wiring right there for it. This is plugged to the radio. I'm gonna check and make sure the radio works first before I even touch the AC control. So I got everything hooked up. I mean, all of these are hooked up except well, you got the this right here to go to CAN bus, and this thing go to the camera part. I don't know if the camera's gonna work or not. We have to check on that one. But we got the power, we got the CAN bus. All of this thing come like pre-hooked up like that. And then the audio input right there. That all of that working. I checked the steering wheel, everything working right now. So my next move is to remove this part right there. As you can see, you want to push it in like that and pull this gray tab out. Push that gray tab outward, so this thing will lift up. They're all about the same. And this one I'm not sure yet. So what I got right here would be, so I'm gonna have to remove that out right there for the I'm gonna check which one is the same. They sent us 2 of these right there, so that don't look right, did it? Nope. I hope this is the right part. Okay, this is the right one right there. So there's 2 of them. One of them look like this. It's not it. Put it away. And then this one look like that. So, I'm trying to figure out how this gonna work. So right here, what I did, I take a flathead and pry this thing out a little bit right here, and then pull this straight out right there. Same as this. Same thing. So now I gotta go the opposite side and do the same thing right there. It's 1, 2, 3 right there, 3 right here. Actually, I should say we gotta get this out first. 1 and 2. And for the little control right there, you want to push this up, push this back out, and then pull it up. It should come out like so. I'll put that plastic bezel, beauty ring, what they call. Put it back in here, and hopefully it works like that. For a reverse camera, I'm gonna be pulling about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna get 6 of them and a T25 right here. So this is how you pull it. Like that. Pull all 6 of them, and then the 25 millimeter. I mean 25 T25. I'm sorry. Then once you get that out, you should be able to pull this out like that. Here, and then right here you wanna push it, pull it this way, and it should be in a hole right here like this. And then that one's gonna go like, you have to push this down. Yeah, you have to push. Yeah, push this down like that and pull it out like so. What I did, I ran the wire, the camera wire going down here. Luckily it's small, it's not a thick one like most camera is. This is I linked this brand below. It's easier, it's not that thick, as you can see right here. I'm gonna spray some of them W40 a little bit, just a tap. Okay, I already spray a little bit down here, so it's kind of loosened out a little bit. Just that much. And wear gloves. I'm gonna pull it. See, when you pull it, it's made it slippery right here. You see that? So I can pull the rest of the wire over. What I did, I tucked the wire. The wire is really thin, so you don't have to remove. Just tuck it in like so. Like that. And go underneath it and get it all the way out here. The camera that I ran, it's got a jack right there, yellow jack. The green wire is for the backup camera. So I'm gonna hook it up to the backup, the one that say backup on here. I don't know what color, I forgot. I think it's brown, but anyway, you got a hookup accessory to the red wire also. So it's got, when you turn the key on, it can turn on when you push, if you want to look back, instead of just the reverse only. Now on this model, I kind of match with the other color I have for the Android. The brown right here, is for reverse. So I'm gonna tap it to the that green wire. Where's that green wire at? Yep, the green wire right there. I'm gonna plug this jacks to the not video input. It should have cam in. It's one single wire right there. It say cam in. I'm plugging that one. So at this moment, I'm gonna plug all this in. Just match it. Make sure the top should be on the top, not the bottom. Just don't plug it wrong way. One. And the cameras, it's got 16 right there. This is for the camera. 2, and then this is for the 2, 4, 6, 8. That's for the CAN bus, and I think that's basically this 2 right here. It's for the USB that I ran out here for the CarPlay and Android charger. So I got a plug, the antenna plug in. The green one will go to this plug right here. You'll see. Oh, that's not it. Right there, the pink one right there. Plug in that. Plug in the main plug. Plug in this 2 wire and then kind of straighten out the wire a little bit and then put it in. Don't forget the Bluetooth. It's a 3mm. Now plugging in. Ooh, the light's so bright. Wow. Bright light. I don't know what happened earlier, but it's so bright. So push this in and tap it like that, and put the top one in and screw it in. This metal right there is, I think that's a tricky part that I had to figure out if it's this way or this way. I'm guessing this way more. Well, I could be wrong. I'm gonna start this way first. So I put the 2 screw back on that metal bracket that is come with and see if it works. Now I will use the long screw to this, 2 of them, and try to put it back in that hole. See right here. As you notice, I use my hands to tighten that for now. I don't want to break anything. And then I'm gonna stick this in there so it should snap back in the same spot. So here's instruction how to use this. So at least they have some sort of instruction and tell you about that, and they tell you what cable is called and so on and so on, and home screen and how to link Bluetooth, how to play radio and everything. So let's try it ourselves. Waiting for it to come on. This look nice, huh? They should have something to cover this. I'm gonna have to look for that piece. They should have something that's ugly like that. Let me go look for it. So here's a clip to cover that. Just push it in, and it looks like that. Let me see. Go home. Apps. Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi and search for some Wi-Fi, change the EQ, reset. I want to check this, see if it's working, the volume works. Bluetooth should be all good. Let me do the reverse real quick. Got to start the car up. Click on reverse, hopefully it works. Uh-oh. No good. Why is it's got 3 lines? I don't like that part. Now on here there's a note that say if the reverse camera won't display after you install the head unit and backup camera for the first time, it should be that the video format backup camera doesn't corresponding to the present camera setting. Yeah, okay, well we had to do some setting basically, because my setting that I have, this car doesn't have a backup camera. So please set the backup camera format as follow. So I'm gonna follow that instruction and see if it works, and you can read more of that instruction how to do it. Crazy part about it, it said click anything when you put on reverse, you click on this button right there, you click on camera, and it tell you right there, if you can look at that, it'll tell you set on PAL. I didn't set on PAL, I kind of play around with it. See, there's a PAL or NEC. So earlier was that setting. You click on that one again, you see that setting, you click on that. If you click on PAL, blurry. So I put on S and C, and it seems to be working okay. It ain't as clear as I thought it would be, but some of them are formatted like that. But this is kind of backward because I had the trunk up. So make sure AC is on okay. Yep, that's perfectly on. There's a programming that I should wanna play with, but I don't want to. I'm gonna put on reverse again just to make sure everything is, oh, I guess it's not that bad. I gotta adjust the camera a little bit But other than that, it's formatting the right one. You had to adjust that down so you can get clear, but he didn't have the screw. So back to everything else, you can go home right here and pull this car up. I think that, yeah, I don't know what I did, but anyway, everything's a little bit different. You can go play the radio. I didn't want to hear the sound, so you can go Bluetooth and click on learn and so on, and it's instructions right here. I mean, this is a good thing about this brand. It tell you, but it just didn't tell you how to hook it up. They just kind of explain basic stuff for you. So you can go network, Wi-Fi, sound, general, reverse. You got a lot of options. Reverse radar, left rear image, reverse line ruler. Let me see the ruler right here. Okay, it's got two ruler, but you don't have to. It's got its own already. So I'm gonna take that back. And reverse mode, system reversing, relay. Yeah, you can do a reverse relay a little bit. 10 milliseconds. Let me see what it does. I don't know why it didn't do that. Okay. No, 0. Like that real quick. It's all kinds of different settings that you can ask the forward view. What's that mean? Let me see what it does. Oh, it's a front view. I don't have that option, so close that. Yeah, it's so much thing right here. Actually, it's got a voice recognition. Okay, well, reverse, original, air conditioning display too. I didn't see that. Steering wheel, I got everything working okay already. So a door display, air conditioning display, Fahrenheit. I'm gonna change that to Fahrenheit for them. I don't really display that, but there's a couple more things that speed compensated, volume, all that stuff. That thing for him to play with it. I'm not gonna sit down and explain everything. Car level, battery display, phone battery level, display. Wow, there's so much stuff here. You can take this screen now right there, display screen right here, protection screen, and yeah,